Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today video I'm gonna talk about the thing that I wish, the part that I wish that include in this bike when I bought it. I mean including from the factory itself. That is the most important. That will be a plus for this bike. I don't know, maybe for the future Kawasaki will include this part when we bought it. So the part that for me it's important to have in this bike from the factory itself is the steering damper. Having the steering damper from the factory, it will be a plus for the bike, because with the price that expensive, the normal one is here in Switzerland, it's 19,000. They should including the steering damper. And also with this big power, I mean 200 horsepower, it should be mandatory coming from the factory, from the Kawasaki itself. So we don't need to buy again extra, and then it's costing more extra. It will be very great if they put it for the future. So for now I don't have it. I'm not buying yet because I don't know where to put it. Here is full. It's already full. If I want to buy and add it to the bike, I don't know where to put it. But I mean, it's not my problem, that one. That is will be from the garage problem, where they're gonna put it. There is one thing mandatory for me, I guess, from the ZH2 when you buy it. It's to having the steering damper, but I don't know how much it costs, the steering damper. Aftermarket, I did not been check it, but I guess it's depend on the brand, I guess. I did not really check before. But yeah, if I buy that steering damper, I think I had to buy in a garage, and then they will give it including with the legal paper. So not that I have a problem on the road with the police. Yeah, I guess that is the only one, the only thing that missing from the bike, from this bike. Alright guys, I guess that is the video for today. That is the thing that Kawasaki should consider about to adding the steering damper. So whenever we ride, we're not kind of scared about it's kind of feeling more safety on the bike. So I guess that's it guys for today, and see you guys another video.